Hi there. In this quick tutorial video I'll show you how to use bold product options in your Shopify store. So let's get started. First, let's quickly install the app. Accept the terms of service. First we have to duplicate our theme so that in case something breaks, we can revert back easily. Let's properly name it. Let's see, we'll be using this product for this demo. Let's use the auto installation. Alright. Now we need to choose a product and where the product option will appear. We'll choose the Golden Vibe bracelets. Let's say we want to have the customers be able to choose from different metal types for this bracelet. As you can see, there are quite a few options here, but I'll choose the Swatch option. Let's write Aluminium, and choose its color. And golden alloy and its color. Let's save it. But, as you can see, unfortunately nothing is showing up in the product page. I'm using the debut theme, and probably many of you are using the debut theme as well. So if the swatches are showing up in your theme right now, then that's great. But for those of you that don't have the swatches showing up, here are the steps that you need to follow. Let's go to the bold documentation page. We need to properly place this code. This code needs to be under the select tag, but it's way down. Let's fix that. We need to place the code below the select tag that has the ID product, select. If we reload now, as you can see it's still not working, because the data isn't getting populated correctly. So we need to do one last thing, which is, we need to run the auto installation again. Awesome. As you can see, we have the swatches here. Let's see if they're actually working. As you can see, if I add it to the cart, I can see the item type followed by the item name. In this case, the item type is metal and the item's name is Aluminium. So yeah, this is how you can install bold product options in your Shopify store. Thanks for watching. Get cool discounts on themes and apps by going to the link in the description. It'll help you save money and help the channel keep going as well, so it's a win for everybody. If this video was helpful, then please like and subscribe and leave a nice comment, or if it was unhelpful, then please dislike and unsubscribe and leave a mean comment. It's a free world. You are free to choose whatever you want. As always, stay safe, stay busy. Catch you later. Ice out.